Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am the amazing Angela. And what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how to drive targeted traffic to your offers on autopilot using LeadsLeap. Now, this is a weekly email that I get from LeadsLeap. As a pro member, I have 10 pro ads. So those 10 pro ads in the last week alone have got me 1,264 hits to my websites. So if you're a pro member, you can log into your back office from here, and here you can see as well, these are pro ads. These are ads by other pro members where I can literally click here and view the ad from my inbox, right? So very powerful way for you to drive traffic to your offers, not only from the platform itself, but from other people's emails. But if you want to set up your pro ads, just go here to post pro ads, and then you can click this add new tab here. And once you click the add new tab, you just literally put the link where you want your prospects to go, and then put a catchy title, a bit of a description. You can add an image, choose what kind of ad, and then you can hit save. That's it. And as a pro ads, these ads are running 24/7. They can be seen within the platform. Members can come in here and view your ads. They can view them from within the email. They can actually view them on other people's websites as well. So very powerful. And then credit ads. These are ads here that you can actually place credit ads as a free member. You can come in here and post credit ads, and it's the exact same process where you click add new. When you click add new, you just fill that in. But what you have to do in order to get views to your site as a free member, even as a paid member, if you want to set up credit ads, you have to come in here and view other people's ads. So every time you view an ad, you actually earn credits. The longer you stay on the ad, the more credits that you earn. And once you earn those credits, then you can then assign those credits to your credit ads. That's how that works. And if we go back here, let's see. Oh, follower messages. This is very powerful. If I go to my back office here, you can see these are follower messages. So I am in these people's network, the downline. And as I log into my back office, I can see the message. I can click on it and see what it is that they have to offer, right? So if you want to set this up yourself, you just scroll down here and you go to my followers and then message followers. So essentially what you do is there's going to be an add message tab, and then you just write the message. You can personalize it. You can see this one here has my name on it. You can put the link where you want them to go and save and submit, and that's it. You set and forget. And as members log into the back office, members of your network, so if I go to new followers here, you can see that I have a total network of 437 people. So when those people log in, they will see my message there personalized with their name. So very powerful way to get eyeballs on your offer. And then these are the referrals. Last week, I didn't refer anybody, but my network is growing as people in my network are referring other people. And that's important because of that follower message that they get to see. And then as an affiliate as well, as a free member, you earn 20% monthly recurring commission. As a pro member, you earn 50%. So very powerful. So if you're looking for an all-in-one marketing platform that you can use to drive targeted traffic to your website, you want to click the link in the description to check this out. And if you want to reach out to me, there's a link to my Facebook page. You can leave a comment below. Otherwise, if you found value, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.